Hey, what's up, gamers? Welcome back to the channel. If you want to take your YouTube gaming channel to the next level and earn more from your content, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 10 powerful ideas to help you grow your channel, boost views, and increase ad revenue. Let's get into it. 1. Niche game focus. Idea. Focus on a specific genre or niche game, such as indie games, strategy games, or a platform like retro consoles. Why it works. Niche audiences are often more engaged and competition is lower, allowing you to become an expert or authority in that area. 1. Collaborations with popular gamers. Idea. Partner with other gaming YouTubers for challenges, competitions, or co-op gameplay. Why it works. Cross-promotion helps you tap into their audience while offering fresh, dynamic content that keeps viewers engaged. 2. Tutorials and walkthroughs. Idea. Create in-depth tutorials and step-by-step walkthroughs for popular games. Why it works. New players always search for tips, tricks, and guides. Offering clear and helpful content can turn casual viewers into loyal subscribers. 3. Live streaming and interacting with fans. Idea. Regularly stream live gameplay on YouTube and engage with your viewers through live chat. Why it works. Live interaction builds community and loyalty. Super chats and memberships during live streams are also monetization opportunities. 4. Game reviews and industry news. Idea. Review newly released games or cover the latest news in the gaming industry. Why it works. Many viewers want unbiased reviews before buying a game. Stay relevant by being one of the first to cover new releases. 1. Esports popularity is soaring. Esports has exploded over the past few years, with millions of fans tuning in to watch their favorite teams and players compete in games like League of Legends, CS, and Fortnite. You can capitalize on this by creating content around major tournaments and events. Cover live matches, provide analysis, or highlight top plays. There's a huge audience ready to engage. 2. Offer pro-level commentary and insights. Break down the strategies used by top esports teams and players. Offering in-depth analysis of how pros handle high-pressure situations, map tactics, and gameplay decisions makes your content valuable to both casual gamers and those aspiring to compete at a higher level. It positions you as an expert in the competitive gaming scene. 3. Participate in or host competitive challenges. Get involved by participating in smaller esports competitions or hosting your gaming tournaments. These events create opportunities for community engagement and help you connect with both players and viewers. Even if you're not a pro, building hype around competitive gameplay is exciting and draws in viewers. 4. Create highlight reels and top 10 lists. Esports fans love highlight reels. Compile the best moments from tournaments, insane plays, or top 10 moments from a specific event or season. These fast-paced, high-energy videos keep viewers on the edge of their seats and encourage them to share with fellow gamers, helping your content go viral. Behind-the-scenes game development. Give your audience something different by going behind the scenes. Interview game developers or show how games are made. Gamers are fascinated by the process, and it'll set you apart from pure gameplay channels. 1. Create custom challenges for popular games. Spice up your content by introducing unique challenges within popular games. Think along the lines of no weapons runs in FPS games or completing a game without taking damage. Viewers love to watch creative twists on gameplay that push boundaries and show off new strategies. 2. Explore and showcase popular mods. Mods can completely transform a game's experience. Whether it's adding new characters, weapons, or entirely new worlds, showcasing the best and most fun mods keeps your content fresh and exciting. Highlight mods that bring a fresh twist to fan-favorite games like Minecraft, Skyrim, or GTA 5. 3. Engage viewers with community challenges. Invite your community to take part in the fun by hosting challenges they can try themselves. Create competitions where viewers submit their gameplay clips based on your unique challenge. This increases engagement and builds a sense of community around your channel.